What's good, guys? Derek here from DaseDesigns.com, back with another video. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So in today's video, we got a like a Skull Warrior pre-made logo that I wanted to make. Just wanted to bang something out, make a cool little video. I had some free time, and this is what I came up with. I've done similar concepts in the past. I really just wanted to do another one because I love creating these like evil skulls, like, you know, huge teeth, angry, evil-ass characters and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy it because these are like the funnest and kind of like the easiest for me to create. So I definitely enjoy making them. Yeah, anyways, I'm sketching in the Procreate app, and that is on the iPad Pro. Definitely my favorite drawing tablet that I've used. I haven't gone through too many, but it's way better than my previous like Surface Pro or whatever. Recommend that. The Apple Pencil, fire. It's really good. I love it. My homie loves it. You know, I've used it a few times inside the Apple Store, cop one. And yeah, really digging it. So yeah, anyways, the main thing I wanted to talk about in this video though is my new typeface, and that's called Flight Risk. If you've been following along lately, you know that I've been creating my own typefaces, my own fonts, mainly for the sports and esports world. And you know, I recently created one that's like super sharp, really clean, really simple. I wanted it to be nice and versatile. Like if you looked at the thumbnail, the type, you know, the wording on there, all of that mainly is like the typeface that I created called Flight Risk. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted it to be sharp, edgy, clean, kind of classy with the rounded edges, you know, so it fits in multiple areas. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't have to be for like a concept like this. It could be for like an eagle or a hawk or just another sharp logo that you guys would see. Like it doesn't have to be too edgy or anything like that. And yeah, you know, it comes with like I believe 4 different weights. There's standard, standard light, condensed, and then condensed light, just to add some more versatility and variation in case you guys do check it out and pick it up. But yeah, guys, more typefaces coming soon, more videos coming soon. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Try to keep this one as simple and short as possible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, new Flight Risk typeface out. It's on my Sellify page. First link in the description, check that out. Also, this logo is for sale. Hit me up in the emails only for business inquiries, DaseDesigns@gmail.com. Love you guys. That's it for me, y'all. Signing out. Catch y'all in the next one.